Hey guys, how's it going? Rob Avis here. I just wanted to talk about these light tubes that we've got. We really love them. We've got 8 of them in our house. We put them in our bathroom, we've got them in our kitchen, in our dining room, in our mud room, and they let an enormous amount of light into the house all year long. What's really great about them is that they don't magnify the heat in the house. They're not like skylights. It's funny when people go to our bathroom and they try and shut the light off and they can't because these things are just letting so much light through. One of the things you want to think about when you go and get these light tubes, if you decide to go and get one, is that you want to make sure that they're thermally broken. These do not have thermal breaks in them, and basically what that means is that they've got a lens on the top, which you can see right here, and they've got a lens down below, and that's it, which really sucks in the wintertime. So these are essentially just a giant tube which can allow thermal siphoning to occur inside of them. So they actually are a pretty good heat drain, which is not great. The new light tubes that they're putting into houses, I believe Velux makes one, actually are thermally broken, and so they don't suffer the same consequences as these ones. So overall, I highly recommend them. They don't let water in, they're leak proof, but I would highly recommend making sure that whatever one you get has an additional lens in the middle that ensures that it's thermally broken. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting, hit the subscribe button to get notified when we get future videos. Hit the like button, and I'd love to get any comments you've got on these light tubes. Are you using them? Do you like them? What brands really stick out for you guys so that other people that are watching these videos can get some advice as well. Thanks so much guys, have a great day.